Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use Oracle SQL Developer to determine the structure of a specific table and how to use also Oracle SQL Developer to view a table contents. So here as the left side, as we can see, we have two connections, HR underscore connection and system underscore connection. HR underscore connection used HR user to connect to the database, while system underscore connection used system user to connect to the database. So if you click here at the plus sign, you will see tables here. Click on the plus sign. This is a list of tables owned by HR user. Countries, departments, employees, job history, jobs, locations, and regions. To view the structure or the contents of a specific table, you can just click on the table. And here we go. This is departments table. As we can see, this is the structure of the table. The table contains 4 columns: department ID, department name, manager ID, and location ID, and this is the data type of each column. More about columns data types will be discussed later on in chapter 12. To view the contents of departments table, we can go here to the second tab, which is data. And here we go. This is the contents of the departments table. We have here 27 records, as we can see. This is a row which represent all information about department number 10. The department ID is 10, the department name is administration, the manager ID is 200, and the location ID is 1700. This is, for example, a row or a record that represent information about department number 80. The department is 80, the department name is sales, the manager ID is 145, and the location ID is 2500. This is a column which represents the location ID of all departments. This is called field. Here is administration, which is the department name of department number 10. This is also field, which is the location ID 1700 of department 120. So this is how to use Oracle SQL Developer to view the contents and the structure of departments table. Let us go back to the practice. The second practice, determine the structure of the employees table and its contents using Oracle SQL Developer. Same idea here. You can just go to the employees table and click on the employees table. This is the structure of the employees table. The employees table contains 11 columns: employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, and so on. To view the contents of the employees table, you can go to the second tab here, data, and here we go. The table contains, as we can see, 107 records. So for example, this is a record or a row that represent information about employee number 104, the first name of the employee Bruce, the last name Ernst, and this is the email, this is the phone number, and this is the hire date 21 May 2007. The job ID is IT Proc, the salary is 6,000, the commission is null, and the manager ID 103, and the department ID is 60. Click here to close the employees data. So in this practice, we learned how to determine the structure of a table using Oracle SQL Developer and how to view the contents of a table by using Oracle SQL Developer. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.